guys, what's up? We're just sitting on the suitcases. We got the couch. And Knuckles is here.
Hi guys, how's it going?
Hi, Knuckles. Come on, let's get off the couch. Okay, so guys, we're going camping. I had to switch it to mobile for my dad. Well, my dad is Knuckles.
I know everybody. How's it going?
So let's go. So Knuckles, you ready?
Yeah,
Right now we just rented this island. We just made that cabin.
it's totally epic. I love it.
But we're gonna go to the boat. So let's go. Okay. Yeah, we have to do the sights. So sorry about that, guys. I want to look this way. Like it. Why are we looking at trees? Why are we staring at a tree? Okay,
Hey, yeah, that's a cool hairdo right there. I like
Yeah.
that. Oh, there we go.
camping.
Yeah, we like that.
What is this guy? A girl? Cowgirl? Trampoline!
I mean, which way?
What?
Yeah.
Lamper? Arts and crafts. Cool. Oh, this guy. Okay. Okay.
Soccer. Okay.
Soccer. Okay.
Oh yeah, that's it right there. That's,
Disco. Okay. Why am I in you, Knuckles? Okay, let's go.
so where are we going? Oh, it's a hammock.
I'm sitting on it.
I know. They're very nice.
Soccer. Oh. Let's see. You think you can beat me? Take the ball while I try to block it. Sure. 5, 4. Wait, Knuckles, we gotta kick the ball.
Okay.
Ow.
Oh, sorry. How do I kick the ball?
There's a thing in your hotbar.
Oh, there it is. How do you get it?
Yep.
Really? Oh yeah. Okay, let me go. Oh, here. Come here, dude. Come here. No. Come here. Wait. No. This dude. Oh, he got it.
We did it. Final score 6. Oh, the marshmallows. Come on, Knuckles. Knuckles, don't eat your marshmallows raw. Well, not really raw. Come on, Knuckles.
Okay.
What do you think the trampoline is? Oh, arts and crafts.
There we go. That's more of what I was thinking. You know, I'm a great drawer.
Hello.
No. Oh, look at this. This is epic.
Find the crafting parts around the camp and craft them. Here, give me your results to get a reward. So if we give her a creeper toy, she'll give us 10. So all of them are 10. Boat toy, base, and painting. Let's look. Oh. Okay, I got the creeper body in the wind-up toy.
Oh,
So we just need the head and legs. I got the part of the base, and I got a marshmallow for a s'more. Oh, cool. Okay, let's keep looking. Oh.
Whoops.
No, I broke it.
Oh.
Let's see. Oh, we can make a boat toy now with an anchor. Okay. Ooh, vase. We can also make a vase. Is there other stuff?
Oh, I see. Okay, hold on.
Here, I'm gonna look around.
Huh. There's none in these. How do you open these things?
I
You
don't
just
know.
use my fist, right? Yeah. Nope.
Oh, sorry, Nux.
It's okay. Did you open them? No.
I tried.
Alright, lady. Tell us where the goods are.
Okay, let's go to the
Where's the
disco.
stuff? You won't even talk.
Come on, let's go to the disco.
Alright, let's go. Give him a neck, Kinder. Wait. Oh, there you are.
Hydrate or dehydrate? Can you find me some water?
She has a
Sure.
She has a wolfie. Look at
Ow!
her. Wait. Sorry. Wait. I was showing you.
I know, she has a wolfie.
That's
Oh wait, there's some stuff here.
Whoops.
I got some creeper legs. So all we need is a creeper head.
Oh wait, who's this guy? There's an arrow here. How do you get?
Hold on.
Oh, he's the DJ. Okay, good.
I'm throwing these stuff in my inventory. Whoa, did you tell him to play some music?
Yeah, I turned on the disco. He's the DJ up there. I don't know about this song. Let's fix another one here.
You have made it in time for the disco. Jump on the dance floor. Sure. Knuckles!
Right.
Disco! Knuckles, come on, dance!
I am dancing. Oh. I like this dance. I'm trying. There you go. That is a pretty good DJ guy.
There we go. I told him to stop.
It's a mechanic. Let's go.
We got marshmallow. Ow.
Oh, sorry. I was excited.
Come on, let's go. Wait.
That's right.
Basket?
What is this?
Oh, water. I got water.
Marshmallows. Okay, that works.
Cookie! I got a cookie.
Oh, there you are.
Look at it, cookie.
Cool.
I can't eat it.
Did you want it? Oh, I got marshmallows. How many marshmallows? Just wait. I got marshmallows. Here you go.
I'm so hungry. Did you find me some food? Find items by interacting with a basket. Quit joking around. Oh my block. Are you for realies? I don't see it. That was rude.
That's right. I give you the marshmallows.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How did I get in?
And by the way, I like berries. You know, because I'm in the kinder. Berry kinder.
Oh. Probably in here.
What's that?
Hot dog.
That's Sonic's favorite too. Okay.
It's not chili dog.
Chili dog.
A hot dog thinks, I guess. Did you find me some No, because we have to find us some coffee in here.
Okay. Wanna go outside, get some dirt, pour some water in it, and it works.
Well, she wants plain normal coffee.
I know. That's how what a Candace drink.
Not the coffee that you make.
Oh.
Sorry, fairy lady thingy. I cannot find coffee for you. But I will keep this cookie. Come on, Knuckles, let's go. It's getting dark.
Oh yeah, where are you? There. Hold on.
Outside.
Wait, I'm back at the disco place. Hold on. Alright. Oh, sorry, I need your help.
Knuckles, I'm roasting a
sorry.
marshmallow.
Oh, there you are. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. What's up with the bar?
Oh, I'm roasting a marshmallow.
So how's it going today?
Good.
I was going at the disco place.
I know.
The lady in there, she was pretty interesting. It's a good thing we were.
I just roasted marshmallows, so I gave marshmallows for it.
I see that. Everybody, you know.
Guys, it's really weird that you can get marshmallows by roasting marshmallows in this camping thing.
That is true. Yes.
Oh, burn! Oh, it's still.
What is it?
Dude, I'm already at 31. You know what? I think I'm gonna stop roasting right there. Let's keep looking.
It really sounds like when I'm back in my home.
Trampoline! Woohoo!
Oh my god.
Yeah! Woo! Woo! Whoa! Ow! Ow!
This is.
Knuckles, where are you?
I'm in the art. I'm trying to find where you're at.
I'm at the. I'm coming.
I'm at the front of the.
Ow.
I'm near the soccer field.
Knuckles, turn around. Hi, Nux.
Joy, what happened?
I hurt myself.
You okay? Here, let me see. What happened?
I hurt my legs. I jumped on the trampoline and I fell down.
Everything's challenging. I understand. Here. Okay. Let's where's our cabin?
Archery. You want to try the archery range? Sure. Target point birthday. Diamonds 25 points. Emerald 10 points. Gold 5 points. Bullseye times 2 multiplier. Okay. Knuckles, come on, you gotta try this.
Yeah, let's see here. I was looking for some berries. To tell you the truth, I don't even know where I'm at. Here I am. Where's the archery? How come I'm back at the arch? Oh, there we are. Okay. Let's try this. Oh, there you are. Cool. How'd it go?
I'm still doing it.
Let's see if I can get some.
Oh. 110.
There we go. Hey,
Knuckles, guess what?
what?
I found a chocolate bar.
Oh, I love chocolate bars. Hey, where'd you go?
Right here.
Alright, I want to see how this works here.
To shoot the thing to start.
Yeah, got it. There we go.
Ugh.
Oh my gosh, they move pretty quick.
I got 25. Diamond.
Oh, they move fast. Got it.
Oh, dang it.
Oh, they move really fast.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm trying. I only got one. I need another one. Right there. Yeah. That one right there.
Ah.
Let's see. Nice shot.
Oh! I got 155!
Yeah, that was a nice shot.
You got
I got one target.
only one? You got the diamond target?
Yeah,
Come on, Knuckles.
I know. My marshmallow.
Yeah.
Right here.
Here, I'll give you 8 marshmallows.
Oh, I'm good. Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you.
How many do you have now?
9. 11. Oh, 10.
Yeah, 10.
Thank you.
Welcome. Come on, let's go. I don't know we're supposed to sleep.
Yeah, I was wondering where our cabins were.
Yeah.
You know,
Here, let's just roast some marshmallows.
I can just like dig up those marshmallows. Ooh. Wow, this.
You gotta sit down, Knuckles.
Oh.
Knuckles, are you sitting down?
Yeah.
No? Like,
Oh, sitting on
Knuckles,
it.
you gotta sit on the,
Got it.
like, click on it.
Oh.
Or hold on it. There you go.
Okay. There we go. Wow. That's super loud. There we go. Nothing like roasted marshmallows.
Yep. Knuckles, I'm already at a stack.
Yeah. There we go.
Guys, if you like this, like and subscribe. And see you next time. We're just still getting some marshmallows.
Hello, guys. It was awesome. Have a great, amazing, blessed, and a Nick and Dad
Yeah.
day. Yeah.
I love marshmallows.
Yeah. Best day.
I love marshmallows. Some marshmallows!